Hey guys, welcome to our channel Humming Bee Toys and Tech. This is the channel where we will be sharing a lot of information about the recently launched toys and tech gadgets for you guys. We will be doing a lot of unboxing as well and share the information about the unboxing. It's going to be lots of fun sharing all this with you. So today what we have in the store for you is the latest DJI Mavic Mini drone, which has been recently launched by DJI. Let's see what's inside the box and jump right into it. This is the Mavic Mini, the latest drone that's recently launched by DJI. It feels very compact, and even from the picture it seems very small as well, and it seems like that's the good thing about it, because it only weighs 249 grams as specified on the box as well. It makes very easy for use and carry, and especially for people like me who are new to drones, this Mavic Mini is so perfect that we don't have to register it with the FAA, which is the federal agency to register any flying object similar to as drones which weighs over 250 grams. So as specified by DJI, this is a big deal for us. Also, let's see what's inside the box. So there you go guys, you can see that we have the drone itself, which is so small. You guys have to buy it to feel it, but like it's typically so small that you can put it in the palm. You can put cell phone on top of it and you'll hide it. It's that small. And even the phone feels heavier than the drone itself, and I'm guessing that it still has a battery inside the drone. We'll keep it on a side for now and see what else is in the box. We also have is the remote control, which we'll just have a look in a while, and I'm gonna start the drone and do everything starting from the app. We also have some box which I guess might have the accessories, the wires, and yeah, it says Mavic Mini accessories in it, and also have some paperwork starting with the user manual. We have the quick start guide, we have the do's and don'ts for the DJI Mavic Mini, and some other information what's in the box and all. That's the simple paperwork. And we have some colorful information here to start with. This seems some sort of instructions for New Zealand. As you can see that they've specified New Zealand here, so they might have some other regulations, so you should go through it if you live and are going to operate this in New Zealand. And we also have some other information which is for the Australian government. If you see up on the top, it's for the Australian government here. That's what they have regulated, so you guys need to read that if you live in New Zealand or in Australia. That's specifically for them. So let's start with the accessories box and see what's inside the box that they've provided. That seems to be some wires. Let's open the pack and see what sort of wires they've given us here. Okay, so these seems to be some connectors which will be connected to the remote, and the other part to the phone that we have. So they have a USB-C, they have a lightning connector for the iPhone, and I guess for the Samsung devices. That's there. We also have, so this seems like some accessories for the remote control. I'm guessing, yeah, these are the joysticks that they've given us, and I'm pretty sure that these are the extras as well that they've given us. And then we have is a couple of more things in the box. Oh, they have given us some additional and extra propellers, just in case if we break something from the Mavic Mini, we can replace it. We have the propellers and also some screws to go with, which I'm going to keep it for now and might use it when we need it. And we also have a screwdriver to put those on. That's what is in the accessories box. Let's put them on the side. And so this is the remote control for the DJI Mavic Mini, which is not that heavy. It's just like a remote control to an Xbox or a PS4, and it has those antennas which could go in either direction. We'll see what gives us the best connectivity through it. also has is a charging port. If you guys can see it, is the charging port, and I'm guessing it's also to connect the phone with the remote control. And how we do it is by opening these extensions, which would probably have the phone attached to. And we also have, guys, is the extra, you know, the joysticks that we were talking about. So the remote already has those. The accessories box was those additional ones, so we don't need that. So that's how is the remote. Now what controls do we have is the joysticks. I think this is the return to home button. If you see it, we have the power on, which shows me the battery level on the remote. So both the remote and the Mavic Mini needs to be charged. Both have their own individual battery systems. We have a few buttons here. If you see, this is, I guess, the camera button to take a quick shot. We also have is a recording button here. If you see, that's the red dot, I'm supposing. And I don't know what that wheel is for, but we'll check out when we fly it. So it could be for zooming in, zooming out. So that's pretty much it. Let's keep that and unwrap the DJI Mavic Mini. It has a few stickers everywhere which we need to remove, so let's remove, starting with this one. I'm super scared because it's so delicate and lightweight. I don't know if I might break it, so just be careful with it. And we have is for something underneath on the other ones. We have, as it says, please remove the gimbal protector before taking off. So that's the gimbal, which is the camera for the DJI Mavic Mini. Let's remove that sticker. And we have the last one right here at the back, which is, again, it says open the cover, pull out the battery while the bayonet pressed. So that's another sticker. There we go. So that's how it is, and what we are going to do now is extend its extensions, or the wings, or whatever they call it. And then it says number 2, unfold the rear. That's how it unfolds. It goes from the bottom to the back. And that's your drone, guys. That's what you can see. So let's see what's under the DJI Mavic Mini. What we see here are a couple of sensors, I believe, because that's the sensors. And then we have is the gimbal protector that we'll remove once we take a test flight. We also have is the charging port that it seems like, and I think it says here the micro SD card that it's going to take. And this is where the battery we have is, guys. That's the battery for the Mavic Mini. So because I don't have any other accessory to charge the battery, so in order to charge it, you have to have the battery inside the Mavic Mini, and then put in the charging cable here. And if you take out the battery, there's a small clip at the bottom. You just push it and slide the battery out. That's the battery for the Mavic Mini, and once the battery is out, it's even lighter. I guess all of the weight is in the battery here, and that's it. That's how you charge it. I'll put it in. Make sure you put it in the right way, not the wrong way. And that's the DJI Mavic Mini, and I'm gonna remove the gimbal protector. So all you have to do is push this button at the bottom and just slide it open. Seems like it might break, but that's plastic. And put it on the side. So now let's talk about the remote control, the various controls that it has, and how to connect a phone with it. Before we connect a phone with the remote control, we have to make sure that we have is a DJI Fly app, which is available on the App Store or the Play Store, depending upon the phone that you use, which gives you different information on it. But we'll go through that afterwards. We'll first connect the phone with the remote control and see how things work with it. Let's turn on that's the antennas. Let's unfold the device clamps, and I'm gonna slide in the phone like that and make sure that it's properly tightened up and secure enough. Now once that's done, because it's an iPhone, so I'm going to use the cable which is for the lightning connector for the iPhone. So this part goes right here. And then you connect the lightning connector port in your phone into the port. Which is right there. Now once that's connected, we'll turn on the remote and see that the remote control. So if we click it once, it shows you the battery level. That shows me at 4. And if I click it again, you'll hear a sound or a beep which tells you that your phone and your remote is turning on. And let's see if it gives us a message anywhere on the phone, which I don't see yet. Okay, so as you can see here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but right where it says connect aircraft, it says remote control connected to the phone. If you guys can see it, that's what it says. It's going to say that. Now let's turn on the aircraft. So all you got to do is the same process. You have a button right underneath the drone. You press it once, tells you the battery level. You press and hold it. It's going to do a little wing things, and then it's going to give you a sound. And once that sound is on, you'll see a blinking light on the DJI Mavic Mini. Now what you do is you place it on a safe place, and on the remote control or on the application that we have for the iPhone, it says connect, which already connected. I'm already connected to it. All it's going to give you is the information. Now on the top right hand side or the left hand side, it's giving you the place where you are. That's your GPS and the address. And then it also gives you the sky pixels, the albums, the profile that you have. So you need to have a profile in order to log in and activate both your remote control and your DJI, the Mavic Mini, the drone. All you have to do after that is go fly. And I am going to show you a videos which I'm going to shoot afterwards. It's pretty, because I'm located in Canada, and that's how it's going to look like. We have removed the gimbal from the bottom, right? We have removed it, and I'll show you how to fly it once the weather outside is good, because it's minus 7 right now, and DJI doesn't recommend us to fly it anywhere lower than 0 degrees, so I'm not going to fly it. But that's how the app looks like, and I'll have a detailed video of the app and what needs to be seen and what needs to be done before we go outside and fly the DJI Mavic Mini drone. So guys, this was the unboxing and basic tutorial about the Mavic Mini, the DJI's latest drone in the market today. We will be posting more videos and pictures for the Mavic Mini, which includes the first flight, also the in-depth details about the DJI Fly app. So if you like the video, please like and share it to your friends, and also don't forget to comment on the video itself. Also, please subscribe to our channel Humming Bee Toys and Tech. Don't forget to hit the bell icon at the bottom so that you get notified for any new videos that we launch. This is Manu and my friend Jazz behind the camera signing off. Thank you so much, guys.